just got back from Crazy Joe's. Had my mechanics over there look at it, and let me tell you something. This thing was riding like crap. Had a bad noise in the front, like. So my other buddy had actually had this car serviced for these people, and I guess brought it to some crappy mechanic. And let me tell you something. It matters. Because, yeah, they had put in a new power steering rack and everything else, but guess what? It was loose. And it was real bad. I was going back and forth. I was like, could it be tire rods? It was that bad, but you would hear like this clunking. And, you know, me hearing about the power steering was done, the whole rack and pinion was done. I was like, yeah, I don't know. By somebody. So that's the thing. You know what? A lot of times you try to cheap out, you try to cut corners, and you try to save money, and sometimes it just doesn't work out that way. Now, luckily, I have friends in the industry, and this isn't even my car. I'm selling it for someone. I'm laying out a little money. I had I'm like, hey, listen, you guys went through a lot of work. At least we have a bill here. There's got to be something. Originally, I was just like, hey, take a look at it. And then they were like, they went into more depth or whatever. I was just going to get a estimate. Hey, what's it need? I figured it'd need tire rods and stuff. It doesn't actually. Or maybe something simple, or just doing some bolts, but they just had to buy a little part. Probably just going to be like $120, but the vehicle is like night and day. And I was like, does it need a wheel? No, we're good with the alignment, everything. So now I feel better. I'm just going to pass it on to the so-called customer.